All right, here we are. Here we are. We are attempting to have Jaiden solve the Rubik's Cube
I will be
in under 2
featuring
minutes. Featuring Tarzan. Lugo.
I will be the ref. I will start the timer. I will stop it. I will blow the whistle. I will not blow the whistle. Yeah, and I will be super smart.
Okay.
Alright.
Jaiden, let us know. Oh, show that it's not solved. Show the Rubik's Cube. Turn it around, dude. All right. Everybody. Jaiden, you tell Jacob when you're ready to go and he's going to hit start.
Alright, go 3, 2, 1, and I'll do it.
1, 2, 3.
Do the whistle.
Hey, Kobe.
Ladies and gents, almost 45 seconds in. He almost has 4 of the sides solved. Okay.
Let him focus.
Three, 2, 1.
Oh, 1 minute
Oh,
26
insane, bro!
seconds.
Insane!
Do your accent.
125. It was the second lead.
Do your accent.
Bro, that's insane, bro. That's insane. 1 minute 26 seconds, bro. I'm honestly just insane. I'm crazy like that, bro. Crazy like that, bro.
Tarzan's here as well.
All right. Say bye, guys.
You will be
Good
on my
job.
Bye.